Today we're going to talk about how to manage your time well in English Literature ICSE 2026. In literature, time pressure kills thinking ability, and that's why it's important to manage your time efficient. I scored 97 in English Literature, by the way, and let's jump right in. This is the strategy that I followed while attempting my board examination, and this is something that you can do as well. So let's begin. So in the first 15 minutes, the reading time, what I did was I spent 5 to 7 minutes selecting the references that I wanted to attempt. Now in case आपसे select नहीं हो रहे हैं कि आप unsure हो रहे हो कि मैं ये कर लूँ, ये भी कर लेती हूँ, ये कर सकती हूँ, तो फिर eliminate करना चालू करो कि इसमें मुझे maximum नहीं आता है तो मैं इसको निकाल देती हूँ, ये मेरे को नहीं आता है मैं निकाल देती हूँ. या फिर आप करो कि इसमें मेरे को इतना अच्छे से नहीं आता है, इसमें मेरे को इतना अच्छे से नहीं आता, बिकॉज समटाइम्स यू नो कि ये रेफरेंस करना है, बट कभी कभी ऐसा अनश्योर होते हैं कि कौन सा अटैम्प्ट करूँ. तो दिस एलिमिनेटिंग ऑप्शन इज अ वे टू सेलेक्ट रेफरेंसेस. Then comes remaining 10 to 8 minutes, 10 to 8 minutes. In that time, I want you to solve the MCQs. Do not look at the MCQs at the very beginning because अभी MCQs आप देखोगे and MCQs जब अभी MCQs आप solve करोगे in this remaining time of the reading time, and then जब paper चालू होगा तभी आप पहले ही MCQs लिख दोगे, so it will be very clear in your mind the MCQ के answers if you write it in the beginning itself. And attempting MCQs in the beginning will help you to have this relief in your mind that 16 marks are secured, that 16 marks का attempt हो गया है मेरा. Then for the references, what I did was I assigned 25 minutes to each reference. So there are 4 references that you need to attempt, so 25 minutes for each. 25 minutes for each reference, you need to attempt 4 references. So after doing the MCQs and 25 minutes for each reference, you're going to be left with 10 minutes. These 10 minutes you're going to use to check your answers. And another thing, if you are unable to complete your answers or that reference in 25 minutes, then do not exceed 25 minutes and leave some space and आगे चले जाओ. क्योंकि अगर तुम एक ही रेफरेंस पे अटके रहोगे ना बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम के लिए, तो तुम्हारे दिमाग में प्रेशर क्रिएट होने लगेगा कि मेरे को और रेफरेंसेस अटेम्प्ट करने हैं, टाइम नहीं बचा है, आंसर कब चेक करूँगी एंड ऑल. तो इसीलिए उसको छोड़ के आगे बढ़ जाओ ताकि आपके दिमाग में प्रेशर नहीं आए. If you're unable to finish the reference in the assigned time of 25 minutes, then what you can do is leave space as I told you, and then complete that answer in the end while you're checking your paper in the last 10 minutes. And make sure that you check your paper because it's very important, because we are bound to make mistakes, we are human. And yeah, that's quite it for this video. I just wanted to share this time management strategy, and tomorrow is the exam, so all the best for that. In this video, I've shared my notes and the sources of my keywords wherever. In this video, I've shared where to find keywords and also the notes that I made while I was studying for ICSE 2025. Leave a comment if you found the video helpful. Share it with your friends. Bye. Thanks for watching.